Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. A real quick one. And you always get frightened when I say a real quick one because I can go on and on and on and on. This will be quick. There is a difference between smooth and flat. Okay? We've got straight, we've got flat, we've got square, but then there's smooth. So you can look at it more as a technical aspect when you're looking for straight, flat, and square. So you would have flat across, okay? You would have straight along the length, then you would have square across on your edges. Now, smooth, however, that is a sense of touch. So to get straight and flat, you want a longer plane, something longer than your shorter planes. This is a number 4. This is a number 6. So, technical is flat. Sensory is smooth. So, I can make this smooth with the shortest plane that I have, which is a number 3. And what that can create for me is a slightly undulating surface, after which I had already flattened and straightened. Why would you have something like that? Okay, in some woods, like this particular piece of beech, there's an area right here that wants to tear out. We talked about that in a previous video. If I work it properly with possibly a plane with a back bevel and I skew it slightly and I take a super fine cut, I can smooth that tear out. But I'm removing wood here, making this less flat. You following me? So that's about it, really. It's a basic concept. You look at a fine sports car. It's not flat. It's not straight. It's not square. But that finish can be smooth. You following me? Are we tracking here? So you see, I may not get a cut every time because I'm not flat. But if I get in tight and I work an area, I can make it smooth. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your workshop. Experiment a little bit with flat, straight, square, and smooth. Walter out.